In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an audience in Mailchimp. Whether you're new to email marketing or just looking to refine your skills, this guide is here to help you every step of the way. Let's dive right in. To start, navigate to your Mailchimp homepage. It's the hub of all your email marketing activities and the place we begin when creating a new audience. From there, look to the left part of your screen and you'll find the Audience option. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu that forms the foundation of your audience building journey. Next, move over to the Add Contacts button. This feature is crucial because it allows you to gather all the necessary details for your email marketing list. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see an option called Import Contacts. We're going to choose this because it gives us the flexibility to bring in contacts from various sources into one unified list. You'll be presented with 3 different ways to import your contacts. For simplicity's sake, let's select the copy and paste method. This option is straightforward and efficient, especially if you have your contacts organized in a document or spreadsheet. Once you've chosen your method, hit Continue. At this stage, you'll input each contact's details, specifically their email, name, and address. It's critical to ensure accuracy here, as these details will drive your campaigns and personalized communications. With careful attention, add each necessary detail, then click Continue to confirm that everything's in order. You're now at the tagging phase. Tags are essential for organizing your contacts into meaningful categories, such as newsletter subscribers or event attendees. These tags help you segment your audience for targeted marketing strategies, so they play a pivotal role in successful email outreach. After setting up your tags, proceed by clicking Continue. Now, review all your entries once again. It's always a good idea to double-check your work to ensure everything is correctly organized and no errors have crept in. Once you're confident, click Continue to progress. As you reach the end of this process, click on Confirm to lock in your new audience fields. Before concluding, you'll want to set the email marketing status, which defines how you'll interact with each contact. Finally, you'll be greeted with a button that says Finalize Import. This is where your efforts are crystallized into a new audience that you can now engage with through your tailored email campaigns. If all looks good, click Complete Import, and there you have it. Your audience is ready to grow and engage with your content. This concludes our tutorial, bringing you one step closer to mastering email marketing with Mailchimp. Happy emailing!